Your screen-addicted child probably melts down the moment something doesn't work perfectly, can't handle waiting for anything, and gives up on activities the second they become challenging. What you're seeing isn't just bad behavior, it's a brain that has been rewired by instant gratification to avoid all discomfort. The good news is that frustration tolerance can be rebuilt, and by the end of this video, I'll give you a simple daily practice that strengthens your child's resilience muscle in just 10 minutes a day. Here's what most parents don't realize about screen addiction and frustration tolerance. Every time your child uses a screen, they're training their brain that discomfort should be avoided at all costs. Screens provide instant solutions, immediate entertainment, and constant stimulation that prevents them from ever experiencing the natural frustration that builds emotional resilience. When the real world doesn't respond like a touchscreen, their nervous system goes into panic mode because they've never learned to sit with uncomfortable feelings. Think about what happens when your child uses an iPad versus when they try to build something with blocks. On the screen, every tap produces an immediate response. Colors flash, sounds play, and something exciting happens instantly. But with real blocks, they might fall down, the tower might wobble, or their design might not work the way they imagined. Instead of seeing this as a normal part of learning, their screen-conditioned brain interprets it as a system malfunction that needs to be fixed immediately or abandoned completely. The biggest mistake parents make is trying to eliminate all frustration from their child's life. You see them struggling with a puzzle and immediately offer help. You watch them getting upset about their drawing and quickly suggest using an art app instead. You're trying to be kind, but you're actually preventing their brain from developing the neural pathways that handle disappointment and perseverance. Here's the key insight that changes everything. Frustration tolerance is like a muscle that only gets stronger when it's exercised regularly in small, manageable doses. You can't expect a child who has never lifted anything heavier than an iPad to suddenly carry a heavy backpack. Their emotional muscles need gradual conditioning, and this happens through deliberately structured challenges that push them slightly outside their comfort zone. The daily practice that rebuilds frustration tolerance is what I call productive struggle time. Every day, give your child one activity that you know will be slightly difficult for them, and your job is to resist helping for the first 5 minutes of their struggle. This might be a puzzle that's just above their skill level, building blocks that require patience, or even folding their own clothes. The key is choosing something that's challenging but not impossible. During these 5 minutes, you become a calm observer, not a problem solver. When they start to get frustrated, acknowledge their feelings without fixing the problem. Say things like, "I see you're working hard on this," or "That does look tricky." Your calm presence helps regulate their nervous system while they learn to tolerate discomfort. After 5 minutes, you can offer minimal guidance, but the goal is for them to experience the satisfaction of working through difficulty. What's crucial is your own emotional regulation during this process. If you get anxious watching your child struggle, they'll pick up on your energy and assume something is wrong. Your job is to model that frustration is normal and temporary. Stay calm, stay present, and trust the process. This is how their brain learns that difficult feelings won't last forever, and that they have the internal resources to handle challenges. Here's what happens when you practice this consistently. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice your child attempting things they would have previously avoided. They'll stick with activities longer before asking for help. Most importantly, their emotional reactions to everyday frustrations will become less intense and shorter in duration. You're literally rewiring their brain to see challenges as opportunities rather than threats. One powerful technique during struggle time is to narrate their effort process, not their results. Instead of saying "good job" when they succeed, say, "I noticed you kept trying even when it was hard." Instead of "that's wrong" when they make mistakes, say, "I see you're figuring out a different approach." This teaches them that the value is in the process of persevering, not in getting everything right immediately. The transformation you'll see is remarkable. Children who develop healthy frustration tolerance become more creative problem solvers, more resilient when facing setbacks, and more confident in their ability to handle whatever life throws at them. They stop needing constant external validation because they've learned to find satisfaction in their own persistent effort. Remember, every moment of managed frustration is building your child's capacity to thrive in a world that won't always respond instantly to their needs. You're giving them a life skill that will serve them far beyond childhood, the ability to persist through difficulty and find strength in their own resilience. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with relating to your kids' obsession with screens. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.